Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make this tasty chin chin you are seeing on your screen right now. This is not your regular type of chin chin. This particular one is so crunchy, it is tasty, and it is very spicy. Have you ever eaten a chin chin and you're wondering what they added in it that makes you keep eating more and more of it? Here I am today to share with you the secret ingredients to that spicy chin chin. Meanwhile, if you're hearing this voice for the first time, my name is Grace and I make recipes you find very interesting. Please just take a moment and hit the subscribe button below. Thank you. To make this spicy chin chin, in a bowl I'll be pouring in 4 cups of all-purpose flour, half cup of sugar, half teaspoon of ginger and garlic powder mixed together, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and half teaspoon of nutmeg. I'll be mixing all this together. I'll create a hole at the center of the mixture and I'll be adding in 1 medium-sized egg, half cup of water, and 1/4 cup of milk. I'll be mixing this together. Halfway through the mixing, I'll be adding in 1/4 cup of melted margarine. I'll proceed now to use my hand to mix the dough all together. See what the dough looks like after the mixing. I'm going to transfer this to my work surface. I will lightly floor the work surface, cut some of the dough on it. I like to flatten it up to just help the rolling process. With my rolling pin, I'm going to be flattening the dough. Once this is done, I'm going to be trimming off these edges so that the cutting can be even. After trimming the edges, we will get at least a better shaped dough. So I'll proceed to cut this in a vertical lines followed with the horizontal ones. And I'm using my pizza cutter to do this. It is more easier than using a knife. I will take this aside and finish the rest of the dough before proceeding to start frying. I will flavor this oil with onion balls to make the chin chin even more tastier. The combination of the flavored oil with the garlic and ginger and nutmeg powder is what you should actually try with your pastry. This is so nice. I'm frying this chin chin in batches because you won't like to overcrowd your pan so that they can actually fry evenly. And since the chin chin has already gummed together during the packing process, the hot oil is just going to help to separate it, and I'm just using my spoon to keep stirring and stirring till it is well separated. I'm frying this on medium heat and I'll be stirring this chin chin occasionally so that they can all fry on all sides. There is no case of flipping to the other side in this situation. After about 7 minutes, the chin chin is ready. I'm going to be giving it a little stir before proceeding to take it off the hot oil. I will transfer this to a paper towel for it to drain any excess oil first, and I'm going to allow it to cool down a little bit before proceeding to store it in an airtight container. Just take a look at how lovely this looks. Like I told you at the beginning of this video, this is not your regular chin chin. This is so crunchy, not the type that breaks teeth though. This is perfectly crunchy, it is tasty, and it is very spicy. Just try this out and see everyone that tests it keep coming for more. And if you want to recreate this for your business, see, hear it from me, it is going to boom because everyone will keep coming forward. Thank you guys for watching this video to this point, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and do all those beautiful stuffs. For my returning subscribers, thank you for coming around. Bye.